keto diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has been shown to be effective for weight loss and improving overall health. When you eat a keto diet, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This can lead to rapid weight loss, as well as other health benefits such as improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and increased energy levels. The keto diet is a popular choice for weight loss because it is effective and relatively easy to follow. The keto diet also has a number of other health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious and healthy keto chicken stir-fry. This recipe is quick and easy to make, and it's ready to eat in about 30 minutes. So if you're looking for a healthy and delicious meal that you can make on a busy weeknight, this recipe is for you. Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. Ready to make. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 onion, chopped. 2 bell peppers, chopped. 1 cup broccoli florets. 1/2 cup chopped carrots. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Instructions. This stir-fry is so quick and easy to make. It's the perfect meal for a busy weeknight. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook until browned on all sides. Add the onion, bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots to the skillet and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, ginger, and black pepper. Add the sauce to the skillet and stir to combine. Bring the stir-fry to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes, or till the sauce has thickened. Serve immediately with your favorite sides, such as cauliflower rice or zucchini noodles. Benefits of keto chicken stir-fry: quick and easy to make, low in carbs and high in protein, good source of fiber and nutrients, promotes weight loss, improves blood sugar control, reduces inflammation, increases energy levels, reduces the risk of chronic diseases. The keto diet can help you lose weight by putting your body into a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This can lead to rapid weight loss, especially in the first few weeks of following the diet. Studies have shown that people on the keto diet lose more weight than those on other diets, such as the low-fat diet. For example, one study found that people on the keto diet lost 2.2 times more weight than those on the low-fat diet over a 24-week period. The amount of weight you lose on the keto diet will vary depending on a number of factors, including your starting weight, activity level, and how closely you follow the diet. However, many people lose 1-2 pounds per week on the keto diet. Here are a few tips for losing weight on keto. Make sure you are in ketosis. You can test your blood ketone levels with a ketone meter or ketone test strips. Eat plenty of healthy fats, such as avocado oil, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Eat moderate amounts of protein, such as chicken, fish, and eggs. Limit your carb intake to 20-50 grams per day. Drink plenty of water and electrolytes. Be patient and consistent. It takes time to see results on keto. If you are following the keto diet and not losing weight, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can help you troubleshoot your diet and make sure you are on the right track. Thanks for joining me today, Trim Trove TV. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. Drop any questions or progress updates in the comments below.